Looking for help to write or improve your CV? Well, now there is a mobile app for that.
And thanks to 3 undergraduates of the University of Lagos who won Google's Apps Developer Challenge, they created a Form Plus application software which lets anyone create an online resume. Our Paul Ndiho shows us how it works.
3 students, Bulifeti Ogunsola, Michael Andieri, and Willie Anyebie from the University of Lagos, recently scooped up the 2012 Google Apps Developer Challenge Award for developing Form Plus application software. The competition gives a platform to young IT talents in Africa and around the world to present their innovations. Form Plus is aimed at developing content and is the process of creating curriculum vitae, CV or resume, submission forms for business, as well as facilitating e-learning, which is not well developed in Nigeria. The developers say Form Plus application was born out of the need to provide e-learning solutions.
This Form Plus, you can access the app via formpl.us. When you get to the site, you have 2 options of using the app. You can either log in with your Google account or install directly from Chrome Web Store. So if I choose to log in with my Google account, it brings me to this page where all I have to do is enter my user name and password.
20-year-old Bulifeti Ogunsola is part of the trio that created Form Plus. He adds that now the e-learning is available, there should be more emphasis on pushing for similar solutions.
Do some training for lecturers to enable them make use of that platform so they can post their lectures online, this kind of stuff. But the problem still remains adoption. Will people use the things that already exist? How much drive for adoption exists?
Google's program manager and market outreach team for Sub-Saharan Africa says he was surprised at the response Form Plus app has generated so far.
The Form Plus, the last time I looked at the application on the Chrome Web Store, they had more than 12,000 users, which for an application that was just launched late last year, by a group of students, I think they are doing pretty good. I don't know how many applications that are launched in this part of the world that get that many users within the first 2-3 months of launch.
Analysts said developing the ICT sector would become a live wire of today's business and an opportunity for youngsters to develop software that will be relevant for their local society. Omatayo Fraklinde, Dean of Engineering Faculty at the University of Lagos, says the ICT development will also lead to growth in the education sector.
Once the environment improves and we can teach better, of course the students are challenged to think better, because our teaching is not spoon-feeding the students. Education has changed in the modern era. A lecturer is basically now a coach, because the information is available on the internet.
Along with the award, the 3 young innovators also took home $20,000, as well as an extra $18,000 for their department at the university. Paul Ndiho, VOA News.